In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Lovable. To get started, open Google in your web browser and search for Lovable. This is usually the quickest way to find the official website, especially if you do not already have the page bookmarked. When the search results appear, look for the official Lovable website and click on it to open the homepage. It's always a good idea to make sure you're selecting the correct site so you can log in safely and avoid any unofficial pages. Once you're on the Lovable website, take a moment to look at the top area of the page. On the right side, you should see the login option. Click on that to go to the sign-in page. If the page takes a second to load, just wait briefly until the login screen fully appears. Now you'll be ready to sign in. At this stage, you can type in your email address in the appropriate field if you want to log in that way. Make sure you enter your email carefully so there are no typing errors. Even a small mistake can prevent access to your account. After entering your email, continue with the prompts shown on the screen to complete the login process. If you prefer, you may also see the option to continue with Google or another available sign-in method. This can be a convenient choice if your account is already connected to one of those services, because it may save time and reduce the need to manually enter your details. Simply choose the option you prefer and follow the instructions that appear on the screen. As you go through the login process, make sure you're using the same email or sign-in method that you originally used when creating your account. This helps prevent confusion in case multiple login options are available. If something doesn't work right away, double-check the information you entered and try again carefully. And that's it. Once your details are accepted, you should be successfully logged into Lovable and ready to use your account. This is a simple process, and after doing it once, it becomes even faster the next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.